All right, folks. Sam from Mechanic here. Now, today we're going to locate the OBD2 port on this 2016 Jeep Renegade. Now, your state, like mine, may have the little quick emissions check centers, and you got to go plug this thing up. Or you may be trying to hook up a scanner or code reader to figure out why that vehicle has a check engine light. Either way, I'm going to show you what's going on. So we're going to start. You can see we're in the driver's seat here. We're going to go way down here, down below. And today to demonstrate, I'm just going to use the dongle from the OBD-II OBD2 scanner. And what's fun about this is if you press the little button here in the middle, it's got a little light. So it's going to help us today. I'm going to take you guys with me. You're going to get the mechanic's eye view. So going underneath, you can see we got our brake pedal, a little bit of dirt. By the way, kick your feet off before you get in the car. They're really dirty all the time. Port here, there's our port right there. So all we have to do is hook up to it, just like that. Get a little beep, beep, beep out of our dongle, and we're all set to go. Also, if you need to pop the hood, you can see that's right there as well. Thanks for joining me, folks. Y'all have a good one.